Hi, this video tutorial will show you how to unlock the Samsung Galaxy S3 by USB. First, purchase the unlock service from fastgsm.com. Next, install and run the FastGSM Samsung Client software. Make sure your Galaxy S3 says SIM network unlock pin. This means your phone is network locked. Power off the phone. Remove the SIM card. And power on the phone. Now go to Apps, Settings, Developer Options, and enable the USB debugging option. Go back to the home screen and connect the phone to a computer via micro USB cable. Go to FastGSM Samsung Client software, fill in your FastGSM login and password information, and select I